Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my JewelScent unboxing, Jewels of America. That's their monthly subscription. And before I get into that, last month they didn't include the sticker that goes on my map. So they did send one out separately. They gave me two. And now I'm trying to remember, was it Minnesota? I think that was the one last month. Now I'm gonna have to look. I have a bad memory. No, Minnesota's on there. Oh, my mind. I blame the kids. I'll be right back. I'm gonna check. Okay, I was kind of close. Last month was Minnesota, but they forgot to send it then, so it actually goes to New York. I realized when I was opening last month's that they still hadn't sent it to me, so I emailed them again, and they're like, so sorry, we moved, you know, where we were having our offices, and that's what the confusion had. So, I did crack this open, and I noticed that this is all messy, but it smells really good. Okay, so this month is Idaho, which is the gem state. Star Garnet, although famous for their potatoes. I think we had that conversation before, how I wonder if that one's going to smell like potatoes. Has abundance of precious and semi-precious gemstones. Didn't know that. So we got our colorful postcard. Candle, which feels sticky. Feels like it, yeah, kind of, the wax tarts I think kind of got messy, but that's what the candle looks like. They changed the jars recently, so they're taller, real heavy, one wick now. This smells really good. And I don't think it says anything on here about the fragrance notes, does it? No, don't think so. It smells really good. I know that doesn't help, but maybe when I'm burning, I'll be able to pick out some fragrance notes. This is super messy and broken, but that's okay. And that product is always like a mystery product. It's not always wax tarts, it could be something else. But there's no ring in here, just in the candle. Do you see the sticker over here? With the little mountain, they always try to kind of match it with the postcard. So, let's go ahead and put that on there. Idaho way over here. And there's a little bit of wax in there that I'll save, but other than that, I'm going to start burning this. Sorry for my whistleblower in the background, and I'll be back to show you the ring that's inside. Okay, so I burned this thing for hours, and there was no ring in sight, and I even kind of dug around a little. So today, I put it on the warmer, and it was way down here. This is a huge candle. There is no way I would be able to get this out without putting it on the warmer. And a lot of times they put their rings right at the top, and that's how it was last month. So now my little wick kind of collapsed. I'll have to keep pushing it like that until it hardens. That way I can relight it. And I also forgot, they just changed it again, and there's not a ring in here. It could be like a necklace or other pieces of jewelry. But anyways, so I think I got a necklace this time. Well, yeah, I think I did. We'll see. So the fragrance notes are actually listed online, and there's a bajillion of them. So it says the top notes are raspberry, boysenberry, and red currant. I feel like that's what I mainly smell, is like a sweet raspberry. And then the middle notes are soft floral. Base notes are musk and rosewood. And then the throw, it says it's an earthy musk, amber, orange peel. So yeah, like everything, all over the place. Is there no code in here? Or did I wipe it away? Oh, yeah, there it is. PP36, I think that's the $40 one. But I always double check because I never remember, so. Okay, that's cute. Just the plain clear stone. So I'm gonna go ahead and double check it, and I'll be back to show you a better view. So here's a better view of the necklace. It kind of has an oval shaped clear stone, and then some little like chips of stones going around it. Almost makes like a floral type shape. And then the back of it looks like that. Chain's decent length, and it is adjustable. So I don't know, I guess I'm okay with them switching, and not every time you get a ring. But they tend to change things up a lot with the subscription, so it could change again in the future, who knows. But that's what I got this month. Stay tuned if you want to see what I get next month, because I still have like half the map to fill out. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.